In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can activate evolution cards here in Clash Royale. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. This process is very simple, but there's two important requirements that you do need to know. First things first, obviously go ahead and scroll over your deck screen. Up at the very top, you're going to see these two little evolution slots, just like so. This is where you need to place your evolution card. If you try and place a non-evolution card in here, I guess like, freeze, for example, if I drag that and swap them out, you'll see that freeze doesn't light up. But if I have lumberjack and drag it in here, it's going to go ahead and activate it. However, you also need to go ahead and make sure that you do have all of the, evolution shards unlocked in order to, evolve that card in the first place. Now, for example, if I open up, Knight, for example, I could swipe over, go to the evolution tab, and I actually, don't have any of these shards to even unlock the evolution for the card itself. So make sure you have that, and then of course drag it in here and it'll immediately do it. Now, evolution cards do follow a play to charge system, meaning that you do have to play the normal version a certain amount of times before the evolved version even becomes available. So just keep that in mind. But that is how evolution shards work, and of course how evolutions work here in Clash Royale. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.